The recently passed mining bill is triggering the latest tough wars between the Senate and the National Assembly. And now the Senate wants to move to the Supreme Court, seeking an advisory opinion on the status of 46 bills, which it claims were passed by the National Assembly without involving the Senate, and yet they touch on matters of the county.
Through this process that is beginning today, if the Senate approves this motion, some people should start preparing themselves for the consequences of abusing, disregarding the Constitution of our country. So this matter is not going to die easily.
It is the most important resolution this House is going to make, given the stormy and cloudy future we are looking at. And Mr. Speaker, woe unto us if we became like an ostrich that saw a raging fire coming and dips his head in the sand thinking the body is safe.
But the Senate assertion provoked an immediate reaction from the National Assembly.
The so-called upper house should not be the crying baby every now and then. They have fought many battles. They have fought the Council of Governors. They have fought the judiciary. They went to the Supreme Court. They are the ones who are vilifying the judiciary the other day. And today they want to take us to the same judiciary. You can't have your cake and eat it.
That mineral down there belongs to the national government. Put that in your head and tell your friends in the Senate.
Article 96, Part 2 of the Constitution states that the Senate participates in the law-making function of Parliament by considering, debating and approving bills concerning counties. But the Constitution in Article 109, Part 4 states that a bill concerning county governments may originate from the National Assembly or the Senate. However, the Constitution in Article 111, 112 and 113 provide a framework of resolving disputes in case the two houses do not agree on which bills are county bills, money bills, special bills or ordinary bills. These arguments sparking heated debate in the National Assembly, with members questioning the need of the Senate.
Could be now time has come for us to ask ourselves, do we need the Senate really? Do we need the Senate? Because it's duplicating what the National Assembly is doing.
We are here for a long time, Mr. Speaker. We are not going anywhere. I've heard some people saying, oh, you know, Senate, I don't know, it's as if you are a weak house and, you know, maybe some of you should go to the lower house. To the lower house to do what? From here, we can only go up, Mr. Speaker. We cannot go down.
If the Senate passes the motion to move to the Supreme Court, it will be seeking to know the constitutional status of acts of Parliament which have been passed by one House of Parliament and assented to by the President in contravention of the law. It will also be seeking the way forward when the speakers of the two houses do not agree on a particular bill. Kendagor, Obadiah for the Big Question.